And India will now be holding its largest or biggest ever immunization drive. That is a dry run for its vaccine. That is on 28th and 29th of December. This particular dry vaccine run will be held in 4 different states of the country, in the 4 different corners, in 2 districts each of each state, starting with Andhra Pradesh, then Assam, Gujarat, as well as Punjab. Take a look.
10 million cases and over 1 lakh deaths, India has been at the forefront of the battle against COVID-19. The country is now gearing up for a vaccine rollout, one of its largest mass immunization drives. In a bid to assess the country's preparedness, the centre will initiate a vaccine dry run with 4 key steps across 4 states of the nation. Only 2 districts out of these 4 states will participate in the dummy vaccination exercise. Assam's Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has said that the dry run will be conducted without any vaccine.
It will be basically dry run without the vaccine. Basically, our preparedness will be tested. So we are prepared, and of course we are very happy that Assam has been selected for the dry run.
While Ludhiana's Deputy Commissioner has laid out the dry run strategy.
इसका भी ड्राई रन होना है। ड्राई रन का मतलब ये है कि एक्चुअल वैक्सीन नहीं लगाई जाएगी, बट हम एक बार उस पूरी प्रक्रिया को करके देखेंगे। इसके लिए 27, 28 और 29 3 दिन हमने रखे हैं। 27 को डे 0 है, जिस दिन के तैयारी का दिन होगा। 28 और 29 को एक्चुअल प्रक्रिया की जाएगी। एक्चुअल प्रक्रिया का मतलब ये है कि हमने 7 सेंटर बनाए हैं, उसमें जिस तरह से एक्चुअल वैक्सीन लगनी है उस तरह से हम वैक्सीन लाएंगे। अभी वैक्सीन आई नहीं है।
This 2-day activity will largely be to assess any possible adverse effects on the vaccine candidate.
Continuously 2 days, on 28th and 29th, the dry run will be practiced in both the districts with entire arrangement. In fact, they have also selected the beneficiaries through the CoWIN app, and those beneficiaries will be involved in the dry run in both the districts. And in fact, the Punjab is all on their toes for this dry run process in Ludhiana as well as Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar.
The new COVID strain, which has been starting from the UK, now the central government has decided to take up a dry run, and Andhra Pradesh is one of the states which is going to take up dry run in Krishna district, and also the authorities there say that they are all set to take up the dry run, and also the procedure of how to carry out this dry run will be the same way when the vaccine is developed, and that this procedure will be followed at the same time, and also it will help the administration staff who will be giving the shots of COVID vaccine to the people.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.